this happen? The human race is doomed.
You refuse to accept that emotions influence actions. The history of mankind ended long ago.
How could he do that to our leader? We're comrades! Oh, what the hell? It wasn't supposed to be this way!
Cielo.
Do you know of a way to stop the data transmission? We only have until sunrise.
I'll tear it out of the ground myself if I have to.
That's not an option. God must be returned to normal. The only way to speak with God is the EGG.
So what do we do?
The power plant. Machines need energy, right? Even machines that mimic God.